Hey all, my name is Sham, and in this video we will learn about Linux commands, which are the instructions that can be executed in the terminal of Linux systems. Linux commands actually help you to navigate through file systems, manage permissions, and do some system configurations and all. And in this video, we are not going to install anything to practically show you the Linux commands. There is a better way in which you can do practice these commands in your browser itself. Majority of the commands works on that site, which is more than enough to learn the basic Linux commands over there. With that, let's get started. And in Google search, you can type Bellard Linux. Over here, you will get the first link saying JS Linux Package Bellard. Click on it and you will get a lot of options where you can choose any OS to work with. And in this video we will choose build root Linux user interface as a console, and you have a link which will take you there. Click on it and you have visible enough to show you. Looks good. With that, let's start with the Linux commands. First one is echo, which will help you to display the output of what input you had given over here. Now if I say echo hi, the output is displayed over here. Now what if I want to store this output in one new file? For that you have to type echo hi, same thing, and right arrow and the name of the file. You can name anything you want. What actually is happening over here is you have the output over here. The output will be redirected and stored in this file. The name of the file, you can name anything you want. The name of the file I have given is new file.txt, and if I hit enter and if I check whether the new file.txt has been created, ls command is actually will help you to list out what are the contents of the directory over here. And you can see new file.txt has been created. No need to worry what all other files are over here. That is actually configured by default by the site creator itself. New file.txt has been created, and if I want to see the output of this file, for that you have cat command, which will help you to display the output of this file and contents of the. If I hit enter, you can see hi, the output which was stored in this file. And next command is who am I, who am I, which will display the current username of this active user. The current username is configured as root. And next command is which will display the name of the computer. The difference between these two commands is who am I will display the username of that who is using that computer, and host name will display the name of that computer. That's the difference between these two commands. The next command is ls, which will display the contents of the files and folders which are present in that directory which we are located. And next command is ls-l, which will display the detailed information of the files and folders that are currently in this directory, which will help you to display what are the permissions of that file, what are the hard links, what is the name of that user groups, what is the size of that file, when was the modification of that file was done, name of the file and all. And next command is ls-a, which will display the hidden files and directory which are present in that directory. And hidden files actually start with dot, which you can see over here, which is by default which was configured in the site. And the command is ls hyphen, which will sort the files and folders based on the modification time. And next command is ls hyphen one, which will display the files and folders in one column format. The next command is ls hyphen, which will display the files and folders, sorts it by size. It will display the largest file first over here. And next command is ls-x, which will sort the files by extensions. And next command is the pwd, which is the present working directory, which prints the location of the path that you are currently in. Now, presently, we are in the root directory. Next command is mkdir, which will help you to create a new folder. Let's say if you want to create, we can give any name over here as new folder. Check whether the new folder has been created, and you can see over here new folder has been created, and it's in different color, which will actually help you to differentiate which is the file, which is a folder in that directory. And currently there is nothing in that folder. Type ls and what if I want to get inside that folder? For that, there is a command called as cd, that is change directory, which will help you to get inside that folder. For that, you have to type the name of the folder which you want to get inside to it. I want to get inside the folder, and you can see I am inside the new folder. If I type pwd, and you can see the path of the location that I'm in right now. Now, what if I want to get back to the base location which we were in the beginning? For that, we have to type cd space, and if I type ls, we are back in the base. Now, what if I want to remove that folder that we have created? For that, rmdir, which will help you to remove that directory. Short form to remove the directory. Type ls to check if it is removed. New folder has been removed. And next command is touch, which will help you to create a new file, a new empty file. If I say touch dot file.txt has been created. Now, what if I want to add contents inside that? For that, you have over here cat on the file, and inside that, you can add any content you want. I type hi, want to add contents in it, you have to type keep on it. You have to keep on clicking enter, and if you have finished, you have to just, if you want to exit, you have to type control C, and if you want to check the contents, what if I want to add on, keep on adding in that file? You have to type add file here, type new file. You can see the output that was, you can see the output over here. Whatever the content that was added previously has now gone. What this write single operator does is, you can add the contents in it, but it will append the contents which you are adding for the next time. Now, what if you want to add the contents without removing the previous contents of that file? For that, you have to type cat double r new file one.txt. I have clicked on enter over there. Once again, new file.txt. Here, you have to click on enter, which I haven't done previously. Click on enter and then click control. Okay, I'm still there. Previous content is still there. It is not removed, and that's the double arrow operator. The next command is copy command. Now let us see the contents of that file in this directory. Now let me create one folder called as new folder type ls. Now let's say I want to copy this new file.txt and move into inside this new folder. For that, you have to type copy, type the name of the file that you want to copy, .txt, and type the name of the folder that you want to move this file into. Name new folder. And if I say ls new file.txt, it creates a copy in the current directory. Now what if I type ls new folder, folder. New file.txt, a copy has been created in this inside new folder. Now, if I want to see the output of that file which is there inside that, you can see hi. This new file.txt has been was been created in the beginning using echo command. That was the file that was there. And next command is move command, which will help you to move any file to different locations without creating a copy. Now let's say I want to uh, check, let me create a new empty file over here. Let's say I want to move this file called as move.txt inside this new folder. For that, move mb uh, move.txt new folder. Now if I type ls, you can see there is no copy that is created in this directory. If I check ls folder, and you can see the move.txt has been moved in this directory. Next command is remove command, which will help you to delete the file that you want to delete. And let me get inside this new folder. If I want to delete move.txt, hit enter. You can see the move.txt file has been deleted. And if I want to get back to the base location where we were in the beginning, you can see over here. And one more thing, move command can be used to rename any file or folder. If we want to say, I want to rename this file new file.txt, let's say you can see new file.txt file has been renamed to rename.txt. You can name anything you want, just for the understanding purpose. I have named as over here. And one more thing, and you have a folder over here, new folder. And if I want to remove this, have to type rmdir. Let me check one second. Okay, there is a file inside that. If I want to delete this folder, you cannot directly delete it. This folder has to be empty if you want to delete that folder. And if I get inside folder, file has been removed, and if I get back to the location where I was it, now if I say rmdir new folder, now if I type ls, now you can see new folder has been deleted. And in this, that's it for this video. This is the first part. There are commands and that has to be discussed. This is not the end, and remaining commands will be discussed in the upcoming video, which is text processing and searching. And until that, keep learning, and thanks a lot for watching.